birthday mo na, Chris.
She puts my ring on. I'm Russia hello.
60th birthday Tito Chris. Punta, tagan pa kagmayong panglawas. O lugway pa nga kinabuhi diri sa kalibutan. Kauntasan imong pamilya nga tagan og may panglawas kanunay o daghan pa mong madawatan nga grasya sa matag adlaw-adlaw nga kinahanglanon. Amping ta kanunay kay lawas ray puhunan, amping tapos ampo og salig lang ditas Ginoo. Kay kini pinaagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Amen. Ay, naday ko i-give ihatag dito, Chris.
And then she asked me, do I look alright?
Hello to, my God to. Happy 60th birthday to. Tapos, God bless. Enjoy your birthday to. Tapos, more blessing to come. And we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello, wonderful tonight. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Chris! Happy birthday, Tito! Happy birthday, Tito Chris! Wishing you all the best and nothing but the best. Long live! Senior is welcome! Yeah!
Basta't nakakaisa, sama-sama, masaya. We go to a party.
So, sana yaw kami dyan ka, boss, para magkikaon sa birthday mo and alam mo may ka magbalik digdi sa Bicol para magrabas nila times. Happy birthday.
And everyone learn to sing. This music.
Honey Chris, happy 60th birthday. Ingat po ingat. More birthdays to come.
Also walking around with me.
Happy birthday, Tito Chris! Stay healthy and enjoy your day. Kaon mong daghan danha. Dili bawal ang mga baboy.
Happy birthday, Manny Chris! Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Chris. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday! Amping mo tanan. Mwah!
And then she asked me, do you feel alright?
Dapat ay hindi ka lalakis kasi may kita lalakis. Please. Ay.
And said yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
Happy birthday to. And mauli ako sa Cebu, mainuman kita. And I miss you, I love you.